a child's first dental visit. Dentists and physicians now recommend that children should have their first dental visit by their first birthday. This helps children avoid cavities, helps them get used to going to the dentist, and makes going to the dentist more enjoyable for both children and their parents. So let's look at a child's first dental visit from the perspective of the mother.
Juan had just turned 1 when I first took him to the dentist. The dentist started by asking me about Juan's medical and dental history, as well as how I took care of his teeth at home. We also talked about how often and what Juan ate, and she helped me figure out how to cut down the amount of sugar-containing drinks and foods Juan had. This helped me realize there are many things I can do at home to take care of Juan's teeth. When it was time to look at Juan's teeth, the dentist and I sat knee to knee and Juan lay back into her lap. Juan cried a bit when the dentist looked into his mouth. I was a bit worried, but this meant his mouth was wide open and the dentist got a great look at his teeth. Juan didn't seem to mind too much either. As soon as the dentist was finished looking at his teeth and Juan sat up, he stopped crying. The dentist checked to make sure there were no problems with the gums or any signs of cavities. She told me that she was looking for cavities as well as white spots, which are early signs of cavities. She suggested that I check Juan's teeth for white spots or cavities every time I brush his teeth at home. The dentist then showed me how to brush Juan's teeth. Finally, the dentist painted fluoride varnish on Juan's teeth. The varnish helps strengthen Juan's teeth and prevent cavities from forming. The dentist told me not to brush his teeth that night. The longer the varnish stays on the teeth, the stronger the teeth get. I discovered that Juan did have a white spot, but I also found out that I can stop the white spot from turning into a cavity. I'm going to make sure Juan does not get any foods or drinks with added sugar between meals, and we are going to do our very best to make sure we brush his teeth with a fluoride-containing toothpaste twice a day. I had lots of questions, and the dentist helped answer all of them. She even told me that she liked it best when parents had lots of questions.